Good afternoon to our respected staff, relieved parents, board, siblings and friends, proud grandparents, and of course, the Sebastopol graduating class of 2024. Today marks the end of a long, very long chapter in our lives. However, with every end, there comes a beginning. A never-ending cycle of starting and ending, the circle of life. But with a circle that seems to spin like a cyclone, it is essential to remember what lies at the core. We all have memories that will fade, and others that will remain etched into our psyches. Dreams that will come true, and others that will wash away with the waves. But most of all, at the very core, we have the timeless moments that are in the now. Of course, as I was told while writing a speech, this wouldn't really be a graduation speech without a little bit of looking backward and forward, so let's start with that. I have not been a part of the class of 2024 for very long, only about 8 months or so. But I've still known you since early elementary school when I moved to Sebastopol. Even way back then, every member of this class was a leader, a respectful peer, a true pioneer. When I saw you out at recess, I could tell you were just cool people. As we grew older, entering middle school and eventually high school, those qualities did not change. Rather, they grew, and not just slowly, but exponentially. The class of 2024 has had nothing short of amazing achievements already. We have had some peers to go on to start businesses. Others have had statewide, nationwide, and even worldwide recognition in areas ranging from the performing arts to a spread of athletic endeavors. Our class average for standardized testing was one of the school's highest. Beyond achievements, the members of this class have all shown kindness to everyone around them, from the kindergartners to the oldest and wisest members of our community. The actions of the members of this class would take hours to list off with sufficient justice. And that sheer length of a list, both in accomplishments and in character, goes to show how incredible this group of individuals really is. We have not changed our characters over the years, but have grown and flourished in ability and as human beings. Thank you for the kindness so many of you have shown in welcoming me into the class of 2024, if only for a brief part of our journey. The most common question we've all gotten to answer at every turn over the past few months is, what are you going to do next? Everyone in this class is unique, and we have all grown to find our paths that we hope to follow. Some of us have concrete plans with detailed career choices, others of us have a direction we hope to follow. The reality is that life will take us down many paths. Some we plan, and some we don't even have a clue exist. We each have so many different dreams and goals, personally, professionally, and with our many interests and talents. I know that each of us has the dedication, the talent, and the character to reach for the stars and beyond. So, with our brief look backwards and forwards, I come back to my main point of today. In a world that seems to spin faster with each passing day, it's all too easy to get caught up in the rush of what's to come, or to dwell on what's already passed. That cycle is important to pause and reflect on, especially during moments such as today. But it is here, in the present, that the true essence of life resides. It's in the laughter shared with friends, the quiet moments while we take everything in, and the simple joys of everyday existence. Take just a brief moment right now. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the air fill your lungs as you breathe in. Listen to the very quiet noises. Look around you at your friends, your classmates, your teachers, your family, your community. This moment, these people, this hot, crowded, slightly smelly gymnasium is home to this very moment of your life. I am grateful for being here, right now, with all of you. There are bittersweet memories behind us. There will be amazing moments ahead of us. It is a huge world out there, with an infinite number of things to see and do. But this moment is right here, right now. Let's not forget during all of our celebrations of the past and the future to appreciate what we have, our family and relations, our teachers and mentors, and our peers, and what is happening today. The world is not going to stop turning, but we should appreciate the lives we are given and the time we have. Thank you.